Black. Blacker than black. Renza again, you see me, I say. I'm out here again, you see me. Yeah. We are talking about talent, right? Talent won't get you rich. You understand me? Saying talent will never ever get you rich. It can, but that's not the basis. See? Business will. You know what I mean? Ownership, publishing, masters, you know what I mean? Own your stuff. You understand me? Ask the guys one question, right? How much people you know really, really talented? Like really, really talented. Even some of our artists. You know what I mean? Really, really talented. But guess what? Them not rich, right? See? You know how much like Jamaica is not lacking a talent. Jamaica have so much talented people dancing, singing, cooking, yo, you name it, bro. Runners, all that. Yo, it's like that place is blessed with these things. But are we building businesses around it? You know what I say? Like, we're not building business around it. Even me, use myself. We all fall into this thing because that's all we know. Until you understand, we all did fall into this thing where we are saying, yo, we are doing the music for the love of it. Yeah, we love the music. Yes, we do. Turn on the light. Turn the light on. Yeah, we love the music. You know what I mean? And even likewise, like the dancer, them love them dance, them love the dancing. Yeah, me not saying nothing love it, but we have to make it make sense, make it work for you. You get what me I say? Like, how much people you know that's talented, and them never ever make a dollar off them talent? You think that's like some kind of, what I call it, buck up or coincidence? No. You're not building no business around it. There is a thing called business for real. See? Especially in the music, there's a thing called ownership. See? There's a thing called publishing, there's a thing called masters. You understand me? I may write a book on it. See? But yeah, there's a thing called publishing, there's a thing called master. See? There's a thing called licensing. You get what I say? You can't get the thing in a movie and all these things. You know, commercials. See? There's a bigger side than that to the music than just holding a mic and a DJ. I write to rhyme. You know, you're the baddest lyricist, you can put words together. See? Talent no build, no talent. Yeah, talent can get you. Talent get you in the door, right? The talent bring you in the door. See? But guess what? Guess what again too? The playing field has changed. The way how people consume music is different now. See? Before you have to be super talented, right? You had to be super talented. Now, you just want to get attention to yourself. People know you. You understand me? People, you know, marketing. You have to know marketing. You know, that is a part of market. I want to this a big house and yeah, stop on the highway. Yeah, marketing. You know what I mean? Saying Bob Marley, they understood that. And that was what, way back in the 70s or 60s, whenever it was. You know what I mean? 70s, 80s. Them understand marketing. See? Vibes Cartel, them understand influence. You know, marketing. Cartel. No care what you want to say. him are one of the most influential artists of our time. See? You understand what I say? If not the most him are most influential artist of our era, our era. You understand what I say? See? You understand me? Gotta give it to him, bro. And figure it out. See? Remember, you know, name how much artists in Jamaica had a freaking record label. See? Think about what I said, man. See? And been a DJ records. See? You understand me? Bounty Killer should have a big record label. See? Yeah, so like I said, talent can only get you so far. Right now, if you want to garner attention, you know what I mean? Because a man can have a hit tune, right? Biggest hit tune in the world. But guess what? If him don't own that, him just eat for today. If him own it, him can eat for decades. See? All them grandkids them come eat off of that one song. You hear me I tell you? Them don't teach us them thing there. And you have to go seek the knowledge, bro. See? And you have to seek the knowledge and understand, bro. Ownership. See? You have to own a thing. See? Buy your rhythm them. Or if you know if you make your rhythm them, make your own rhythm. I'm telling you. See? Build up a catalog. See? It's not about the hit song them and them thing there. Man, tell you, if you have 10,000, if you have 1,000 followers, 1,000 people were dedicated to your movement. See? That's why I say you need for branding, marketing. See? Branding, marketing. You know, people. If you have 10,000, you have 1,000 people. See? You know how much money you can make? Yeah, well, buy your thing then consistently. Let's say even 500 I make off something then. Let's say even 500 I buy your thing then. You know, good man. Every month you drop an album. You don't have to be the biggest artist. You just want to be the artist where you is. See? And you have your little follower in the world big enough, brother. You get what I say? Yeah, man. So, like I said, talent is not just it, bro. Talent will bring you in. And like I said, that, to be honest with you, that's not even the biggest deal right now, because people buy into you as the artist. See? So, blacker than black, red zone, talks. Yeah.